I'm Edie Lush, and I'm here in the Hub Culture Pavilion. I'm the executive editor of Hub Culture, and I'm very pleased to be joined by Stan Stalnaker, CEO and founder.
Yep. Hi, Edie.
Hi.
Back again.
So, exciting announcement about VEN. We've got VEN now trading on the foreign exchange, LMAX. Tell me a little bit about that.
Right. So as we all know, VEN is the digital currency that's used inside Hub Culture, the social network. And over the last year, we've been working really hard to expand the horizons of VEN. In October of last year, we went on to Kraken.com, which is one of the leading digital asset exchanges. This is a place where digital currencies like VEN and Bitcoin and Ripple can trade against the dollar or the euro. But now we're actually moving a really big step further into the actual Forex, foreign exchange markets with LMAX. So LMAX is one of the major Forex trading exchanges in Europe, and VEN will become the first digital currency, the first private currency in history trading on an FX exchange.
So what does that mean if it's trading on an FX exchange? So if I have some VEN and I want to cash it out for yen or for dollars, I can do that now?
Yep, and that's true with the digital asset exchanges like Kraken, but there's just a big gulf between the digital asset exchanges, which are focused on trading things like Bitcoin and VEN, and the financial market exchanges, which are trading commodities, gold, oil, all sorts of other currencies, and doing large volumes. So as an example, LMAX has traded 1.2 trillion of Forex in the last 18 months.
Okay.
And it's a huge market. Daily global Forex trades are 5.4 trillion. And this is a place where not just professional investors, individual investors, but hedge funds and banks can all come together and now take positions holding VEN. That's never been possible with a digital currency.
So you're expecting a lot more interest in the digital currency market, in VEN in particular?
Well, I think in general, there's been a lot more interest in digital currency because of all the changes that happened in 2013. And in 2014, we're really going to see currencies like VEN moving into the mainstream. So our focus is to really make an environmental currency a solid financial asset. And the big difference between VEN and these other currencies that are out there is that VEN is backed. So it's really interesting, the way that a person trades VEN on an exchange like LMAX requires not just a lot of technology, but a lot of thinking. So for instance, VEN is backed by a mix of currencies and commodities and carbon. And so when a customer or a member of that exchange buys VEN, they're kind of buying all these assets. And that makes it a very stable, diversified purchase. But when they want to exit the currency, we have to actually exit those assets. So we've had to create high frequency algorithms that go onto the exchange and settle into all of those components when a person buys VEN, and then settle out of those components when a person sells VEN. So it's very technically complicated, but it's the first time that a digital currency is trading with high frequency. And it's going to, I hope, have a big impact on our efforts for carbon and for the environment, because the pool of people who can purchase and hold VEN grows, and the ability for a customer, say, to hedge a business contract or to make a commodity purchase denominated in VEN starts to become possible. So imagine if you were Shell or a large oil company and you wanted to carbon offset your oil trades. You could actually start to do that now if you make those trades denominated in VEN. Or if you're a corporation and you want to settle foreign exchange between all the different divisions in your company, if you settle in VEN, the volatility is going to be much lower because the currency is so stable. So there are ways that companies can save and make money trading VEN in the Forex markets.
Stan, thank you very much.
Thanks, Edie.